Welcome to RHCSA.GURU. In this video, we are going to learn how to create, view, and edit text files in Linux. This essential skill is a fundamental part of working with Linux systems. So let's get started by launching the exercise. In this lab, we will focus on mastering the basics of the 6 editor to create, view, and edit text files. Let's begin by creating a file named fruits.txt in the workspace directory using the 6 editor. Remember, the file is saved to disk only after you add content and explicitly save it. Use the command vi fruits.txt to get started. Now in the vi editor, press the I key to enter insert mode. Once in this mode, you can add the required content to the file. After adding the content, press the escape key to exit insert mode. Then type WQ and press enter to save the file and exit the editor. Reopen the file using the command vi fruits.txt to add another line. To enter insert mode, you can press I to start editing from the current cursor position or O to open a new line below. Add the required content, then save and exit by pressing Escape followed by WQ or Shift plus ZZ. Now again open the file with vi fruits.txt. Place the cursor on the line apple, orange, banana, mango, and press DD to delete it. Save and exit with WQ, or use Q to exit without saving. Open the file with vi fruits.txt. Place the cursor on the line, this is a list of fruits, and press DD to delete it. Use U to undo the deletion. Save and exit if needed. Again open the file with vi fruits.txt. Move the cursor to the character you want to replace. Press R and type the new character. This change is made directly without entering insert mode. To search for a word, type / followed by the word and press enter. The cursor will jump to the first occurrence, highlighting it. Use N to find the next occurrence. Now let's create multiple files at once using brace expansion. This will create 3 files: file1.txt, file2.txt, and file3.txt in your current directory. Use the ls command to verify their creation. Now use ls-l with the pwd command to list files in the current directory with detailed information. The pwd command prints the absolute path of the present working directory, helping you confirm your location. Now use brace expansion to add the lines A, B, and C into file.txt. This can be done efficiently with a single command, appending the specified content to the file. Now use the echo command to display the path to your home directory. You can create a random number using the $random variable. Simply run the command echo $random. Use the asterisk wildcard to list all files in the current directory. Run the command ls asterisk. Now navigate to the / etc. directory and use the asterisk p wildcard to list all files that start with p, followed by any single character, and end with p. Now use the character class, AC*, to list all files in the current directory that start with any letter between A and C. Run the command, ls AC*. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the exercise. Don't forget to mark the lab as complete to finalize your progress.